Welcome to Hive. In this video, we're going to be making a Raspberry Daiquiri Mocktail. This mocktail is very tasty and impressive, but does require a bit of setup. So, what will I need? Some raspberries, raspberry simple syrup, I'll show you how to make this later, and lime juice. You will only need a single shot of raspberry syrup for this mocktail. However, it's always good to make it in batches in case you fancy more than one. Add a handful of raspberries to a cocktail shaker. Then, add 200 ml of simple syrup. Muddle this mixture until there's no full raspberries left. Give it a shake and keep it in the fridge for 24 hours to absorb the flavour. With the syrup ready, squeeze 25 ml of lime juice. Next, take an empty cocktail shaker and add some raspberries. Lastly, add the lime juice and the 40 ml raspberry syrup to a shaker. Muddle and top with ice. Give the shaker a quick shake and boom, the raspberry daiquiri is ready. Simply strain the ice and raspberry bits out and pour your drink. Thank you for watching to the end of the video. If you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe. Until next time, bye!